really like what you've done to me. I can't really explain it.
Alright guys, welcome back to another hair review. Today's sponsor is BeautyForeverHair. We're going to see all the goodies. You definitely need a bag like this, okay? We have wig caps. I do have an edge brush and the bag to store your wig. Also have edge band, and then we have the wig, which is a 26-inch. I think it's water wave here with some highlights. It's a 7x5 wig. This is long. It's been a minute. I don't wear a and I love that they made the side part. So we're definitely gonna do this in a side part. I'm excited for this. Yes. So this is how it looks. It's a pre-everything wig. Look at that lace. You see that? Yes, the lace is lacing. I love the color, the highlights that is in the wig as well. 26 inches, so it's gonna be super long. It have a adjustable band, breathable cap, and a comb around the back that I love. The knots are also pre-bleached, and this is how the hair color looks. Love, love, love the highlight. It's all the way down to the ends, which is beautiful. So this is how it looks today. Like I said, it's pre-everything, pre-cut. So you could just put this on your head and go. So it's a ready to wear wig. So we are gonna get into the install of this here. Look at that. So keep on watching. Are you guys ready? Let's start off with fixing my wig here. Oh, I like to braid down my hair first. Well, only in one because I stopped braiding my hair. I keep telling y'all that. So I think we're doing a side part. Yeah, most definitely. So I need to make sure this goes to the side. I feel like these caps are getting small. I know my head ain't grew and it's not growing, so we have to blame it on the caps, okay? Let's see how this will look. It's definitely gonna be on the side. Okay. Yes girl. There we go. So I need to make sure that it fits the right way. Yeah, this is her. The color is insane. I like it. Definitely we're gonna finish this and we are gonna add it to our head. I don't think I need to touch the cap, so we're gonna get straight into install and finish this. I'm gonna lay the hair down and leave it for a couple of hours, and to be honest, this doesn't even need to add anything to it. This is another one. So let's get into it. So far, perfect. Yeah, I like this. Look at that lace. Are you guys seeing that? So nice. So we're gonna go in with the hot comb. First things first. It's giving summer vibes, you know. It's really giving summer vibes. I'm liking what I'm seeing. I want to make sure that my hair is clean. We're gonna add some alcohol, even though I'm not using glue, we're just using the spray. want to make sure that it's not going to slip off my head. So I'm going to clean my forehead where we're going to apply the wig, just there. Make sure that's clean. The cap is on. Then we're going to use a spray, and that's all. And then we're just going to do some light baby hair, like, yeah, it's going to look real cute. So wait for it.
And if you want it, if I hate you, fuck you. City of you to make me feel just like this. What I would do to make you feel. So what you in the rush for? What you trying to meet your maker, darling? Oh, you running out of time, huh? But time ain't even real. You really need to chill. It's all an illusion. You get mixed up in the fusion. Whatever it is you try to see, you can sit down and just believe. But I wouldn't ever be the same old day. But I can tell you straight, it ain't no game, baby. Oh, God bless me. God help me. Oh, I think I'm insane. God bless me. God help me. Ooh, I think I'm insane. You sweet too solid till you scramble me. You speak your body, you mishandle me. You speak non-violent till you ambush me. Now I'm at your violent wits. Now I'm at your silent treatment. That means no permission. No missionary getting boring. Can you switch positions? Hard to say your soul, you don't ever listen. No, no. I've been out, baby. Every reminiscing. Every other missing. You wish it was different than what it was. I've been out, baby. No, I seen the lying first. No, I seen no finding us. I've been out, baby. God bless you. And if you wonder if I hate you, I think I'm insane.
Hey guys, so I'm trying to create some small looking, natural looking baby hair, and this is how we're going to leave it. I will tie this down and leave it for a few, and that should be it. And then we will style it. Let me see how it looks if I take these down, because I want it to look as natural as possible. And there we go. Yeah, we don't need a bunch of pin here. Let's just use a hot comb. The hair still needs to dry, so I'm gonna wait for it to dry.
Let me look at you. That's wild mind. I spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand? Your love.
Alright, I am going to leave this and tie it down, and then we are gonna come back to style it. I love how this part is. Yeah. 26 inches, yes baby, so pretty. Alright guys, we are gonna go in and define these curls. This is how the wig came. I actually wore it just as is, so you could do that as well. And we're gonna go in. It came as a side part, looking so natural. I went ahead and fixed the baby hair, so we're gonna spray it down and go in. I think it's 26 inches, so this is how it looks. You actually could wear it like this, but I'm gonna fix the front of it. So let's add mousse. You can keep on watching. I have water and I have mousse, and this is how I do it.
You give me a really good feeling all day long.
this is how the side part is. I went in and finished the curls, so love the color, it's beautiful. The highlight, this is screaming summer right now, so I absolutely love it. And the wig was designed this way, like for a side part, it's totally insane because look at that. I didn't have to do no parting, no nothing. All I did, took it out the pack, install, and kind of finish the curls. So this is how it looks. It's 26 inches. I'm definitely going to do another style, so you guys, if you are not a side part girly, then most definitely you could try something else. But I'm thinking, because I like it like this and it is 26 inches, look at that. You see those curls? It's perfect for vacation and we're heading to summertime, so this is a wig for you. I am thinking about doing a updo, but an updo with a side part. How can we make this work? But this is it, side part, out the packaging. This is how you will receive your wig. So let's get into styling it another way. We might do center part or updo. Let's see.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear.
Alright guys, so I did this updo with the side part. I went ahead and I took out some because I wanted to have a messy bun look. Absolutely love the color. What I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys that you can still add curl to this wig. So we're going to add curl to the parts that we took out. Now, the reason for the leave out is because it's a closure. So I had to finesse the hair. So you guys are, when you look, you're seeing a frontal, okay? But it's actually a closure, and I think I like this. I was thinking for a second, how will I do this here? But absolutely love this, and I love when I pull down the back of the wig. Now the back is secure. I'll definitely show you guys around the back. This is a messy bun, and it's perfect if you have this wig. If you get this wig, you wear it in a side part, and say for instance you are on vacation, you can go ahead and put this wig in a bun. All you need is a hair tie. That's all. So I'm going to show you guys how we're going to curl this. I went ahead and I cut the 2 strands. So all I'm going to do is wrap it on the flat iron. And this is a very small flat iron. Look at that. Yeah. So I'm going to do it with this part as well. And then we're going to go ahead with the front. Now the reason for these leave outs is not just because it's a closure wig, so we're giving it that illusion of a frontal, but also I feel like when you do have a curly wig, you should have some form of leave out. Look at that. We can even go around the back and do the small ones that I went ahead and cut, so it have that look. You see that? Yeah. So we're gonna go ahead. You guys can keep on watching while I curl the front.
Till I think what you wanna live, how you wanna spin, what you wanna be, who you wanna be. I'm stunner till I die.
This is the final look of the updo. I went ahead and I put curls in it. Don't think you cannot put curls in your curly wigs, okay? Because as you guys can see how defined these curls are, and the flat iron is not at the maximum level. Now this is it. Absolutely love it. It's real simple though. I pull some from the back and I use a flat iron to make some curls, add some to the side for the illusion of a frontal, and then I left the hair as a side part and add a little bit of curls, take out some. All I did was put the hair in a bun with a hair tie, and then I add elastic around it. So you could either do that or you could use one of these clips, but Updo, you cannot miss with it, especially that this hair have a little bit of color to it. It's absolutely amazing. I'm going to show you guys around the back to show you that the wig is secure, and we pull some down around the back. So let's do that. Now this is how the back is. See that? Yeah. And the side, you cannot tell me it's a closure, because it's looking like a frontal. And then because we pull the back down, you're not seeing that as well. And we made some baby hair around, not baby hair, but we made small curls around the back. I love this, and I'm gonna keep it as a updo. So hope you guys like this style. Tell me which one you rather, if you like the side part down or you like the side updo. I'm digging this, so I'm gonna keep this. But if you guys are interested in this wig, make sure you guys check the description. It will be right there. The link to their website will be there as well. Again, to Beauty Forever for sponsoring this video. Make sure you guys check them out. The highlight is popping and I like it. It complements the skin tone so much. Absolutely love this updo, and like I said, you don't have to use any product, okay? It's gonna give what it needs to give. So absolutely love it. I'm gonna leave it like this. Tell me your thoughts. Do you like the updo or do you like the side part down? Whichever you like, this hair can create that look. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Leave your thoughts. Check the description. The link will be there. Thanks again, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thoughts of you run through my head. Every time that I'm near you, I realize that you're heaven sent. I think you're truly something special. Just what my dreams are really made of. Let's stay together, you and me both.